Here's how to thread a needle with 4 threads. First, pull a double strand of thread off the spool, the length you want it to be. So I'd like mine to be, I want that much. And next, thread the needle next to the spool. I just drop the needle onto the loop and then just keep pulling until all the threads are the same length. Cut the spool free and now you've got 4 threads on the needle. And while we're here, here's an easy way to put a knot in the end. Hold the needle like this and then like this, and then bring up the cut end to make a loop, and then wind that round 3 times and hold the whole thing with your thumb and finger, and then just slide and keep on sliding it, and you've got a knot in the end, and then you can just trim off the end. So we'll just keep going. Here's how to sew a button on. So I've got a dot where I want the button to be. Just come up next to the dot like this, pop the button on, back through the other hole onto the other side of the dot. Okay, and then I just lift. Did you see that what I did just then? I just lifted the button off so that it's on loosely. Come up through the other hole again, back down the other side. See how I'm sewing the button on loosely? Back up for number 3, except just go down the whole of the button. And we're going to wind that around 3 times to make a thread shank, and then we go back down. To finish off, I make a tiny stitch. Then I wind it round like twice and pull, and that kind of makes a knot, and then I just take one more stitch just to bury the end. Perfect button every time.